Hello YouTube, Sebastian here, and welcome to a new and exciting video. I think this is exciting at least. Today I'm going to show you something that I've been wanting for a long time in GameMaker that is still not really possible without doing what I'm about to show you. But it's basically having default scripts and default objects and default whatever you want in your games whenever you open up a new project. So right here I have an empty project, and what I'm going to show you is how you can do this, because I already did this, which has helped me out pretty greatly. I have this. If I go to the marketplace and go to my library, in my library I have this one called Top Down Essentials, which is made by me. It's private, only I can see this, and I can import this into my project, and then I have some sprites, I have some scripts that I like to use for my top down stuff. I can basically just add all of them, imported, and now, in a matter of seconds, I have a pretty much ready to go like setup. I have all the code that I need, like my inputs. So I have all the basic inputs. I don't have to sit and type all this, which is extremely boring. I don't have to do I have my collision checking in here. I have my collision with the tiles and all that good stuff, like my tile meeting script. So, today I am going to show you how you can do this yourself, because it is super easy. It might be a little bit frightening, because I thought about doing this before, and then I looked at it and I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. But it's actually pretty easy. So all you have to do is, I'm going to show you with another, let's just close down this one. I have this here. This is something I made, my platformer essentials that I want to do for platforming. And holy shit, this guy moves slow. Whoa, wait a second, let's just speed this up. Okay, so I made this. I made this, a platform essential thing. So I made like it has running, jumping, wall jumping, and stuff like that. So these are some scripts that I created for myself, so I can use these for whenever I want to do a platformer, if I want to do that. So I have a pretty easy get-go with all the basic stuff, so I don't have to code all that again, because this movement code right here is pretty tedious to do, because I don't do platformers a lot, so just having to do it once and then just tweak it is nice. So today I'll show you. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. What you want to do is you go to the marketplace, you create a package, then you have to create a publisher. That's pretty easy. Can't really show you how to do it, but you know how to install GameMaker and stuff like that. So I suppose you know how to use a computer, and you can probably make a publisher yourself. All you have to do is like make a password, put in an email, give yourself a name, whatever. There's not really anything special about it. It's basically just like having another login just for publishing stuff. You don't have to fill in any information about credit cards or whatever. You don't have to. You can, if you want to earn money on this, because you can sell these assets too on the marketplace. But then you do your. I have one publisher name. I have Leaf Blower Games, and then the display name will just be Platformer Essentials, like that. That's just going to be my display name, and then you have a version here that you can set to whatever the hell you want, and you can do the asset type if you want to do that. It could be an asset demo or tutorial, and there's a package ID which I don't want to screw with, because this is just private for myself. And now what you want to do is you go in here and you can open all these tabs up, and you can add whatever you want. So if you want to, you can add a single script and just have that script in this package. But you can also just add all the sprites, all the scripts, and all the collision scripts. We already added all those, and all the objects, and also the rooms if you want that. You can have nodes, you can have fonts, you can have shaders, timelines, all these, everything you can have. You can have whatever you want in here. It is really great, if you ask me. Like, I love this. And then once you're done, added all the assets, you could click OK, and it's creating a asset package, as you just saw. Takes you to the marketplace. Here you have to log in, which I'll just do. I'll be back in a second. So I logged in. This is the screen that you'll be getting. It's just some asset stuff because you just have to fill out a few things about your asset. So we're gonna set a primary category. We're gonna set scripts. Let's just do other, and then the package ID. Cannot change that. Display name. Whatever. This is gonna be that. I'm just gonna write test in the description because I'm gonna set this to private. Nobody else can see this. Or download it. Only me. Keywords. I don't know. You just have to. What am I saying? You just have to put in 3 keywords. That's all. So I'm just going to put in platform, essentials, and script. And an age rating, I don't know, 4, I guess. Price, I'm just going to leave that as 0, no sales price. And then visibility, I set it to private. And then, what else? These are optionals. Don't have to do that. The only things you still have to do is have an icon and a screenshot. So I have an icon. I think it's in here. Right there. I just created a 200 by 200 grey icon. That's all you have to do. Just any icon, and then we have a screenshot of the thing. And I know if I go to pictures and screenshots, I actually took one before. So this is just basically a screenshot of my screen, which doesn't really matter because nobody else is going to see what this is. Of course, if you want to actually sell this, then it would probably be smart to actually have some good screenshots, some good video, some good descriptions, stuff like that. But this is only for me, and it'll be only for you. So this will just be, you can just put whatever you want in there because nobody else is going to be able to see it. And if you don't know how to do a screenshot, I don't know how to do it on Mac, but on Windows, just hold the Windows key and then click the print screen button, which is somewhere on your keyboard along the top row probably, and it'll look like this. I can just do it. It'll just do that. Dim the screen. That's what I'm looking for, and that will just save a screenshot in your pictures folder under screenshots. So that's easy. Then you click save. The asset is updated. That's all. Now you just have to wait. I don't know how long you have to wait. It was pretty quick first time I did it. I don't know if there's any like stuff it has to go through, but it will pop up at some point. If you go into the marketplace and in my library and whatever kind of thing you did, you could minus the script. So it will come up here as whatever name you gave it, and you can just click this import button and it'll work. So I really hope that you found this video useful, because this is something that's really helped me out. And especially like the thing that I think is the biggest problem is just remembering all the scripts that you want to have in your games, because I have to keep referencing other projects that I've made and see what kind of scripts I use in there, and I forget what scripts I use and which are good to use and how to use them and stuff like that. So this helps me at least just structure my code a lot better and my game a lot better. So I hope this will help you too, and I hope you found it useful. Remember to subscribe and like and dislike if you didn't like it, but please don't dislike that. That's not fun. Not for me at least. But anyways, just remember to have a really nice day. That's been all for this time, and I'll see you some other day. Goodbye, YouTube.